Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you the unboxing and the setting up of your Rain 5G router and you have connection. So I'm on one of the places of my clients, so they deliver this to them, so they need to connect it. So I'm gonna they haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it. Shouldn't be difficult to open anyway. Let's do this. Give me a moment, guys. I wanted you to see everything. Yeah. Well, in most cases, they used to give us, they used to send Huawei routers, the big one, but now they send the Huawei routers, the small ones. Okay, that's good. So this is the router inside. That's why I can see Rain. Okay. This is the seal I have to take out. I'm using one hand also. I'm the cameraman, but I want you guys to see everything, how it works. Okay, seal. We need that seal. Take it off. Yeah, we should take it off. Yeah, it won't give us a chance to. They made it in a way that when you take it, it should be seen that it was opened. That's why it's like this. I'm gonna use a key. Someone's keys. Yeah, guys, so now you can see it now. You open it. I've never seen this router before. I already see some small routers. Oh no, this one I know it. This one is the indoor one, so it's not the outdoor one. The outdoor one you can put it outside. So if you don't get, but now we're gonna be in the flat, so it's upstairs, so there's no reason for us to get scared because it's up, so the signal is gonna be fine. So this is the thing. So it's wrapped already. So open this. It's not a outdoor, it's a indoor. Okay, the model number is here. You can see Huawei H122-373. Yeah, okay, this one is more popular, very popular for outdoors. So but if it doesn't work well with the signals and you talk to them, they'll send you the one for outdoor, which you can mount on the roof or on the balcony. So they give you one network cable, then they give you also this charger. That's it. So these are the only things that comes here, and the manual. So another thing, you have to check if the SIM card is in. The SIM card goes in here. In most cases it comes with the SIM card, of which it's not here. You get me? It used to come with the SIM card. So since the SIM card is not here, which means the SIM card is on the side here. You can see this is the SIM card. So we have to put in the SIM card before we do anything. Okay, here's the SIM card. You can see how it looks like. So this thing takes a nano SIM card. So you're gonna just press here. Take the smallest. You can see you can do it just with one hand. I took out the SIM card and I'm gonna put it in here. I have to see how it goes in. How does it go in? It goes in like this. You can see it faces that side. It is okay. Once you push it in, it has to click. It click like tip. Once you're done, all is well now. So since all is well, we're going to take it out and we connect. One thing to connect first should be, it's gonna be the power. trying to okay, the charger. Okay, I'm done. Put this here. So putting that there, it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna look for power for any plug, then I put it in there. Yeah, I think I'm getting a plug here. Okay, I don't know if there is electricity anyway. If there's no electricity, then it's fine. Put it in there. Seems like there's no power. There was power right now. Power is gone. Okay. How do we confirm that power is gone? No, we have power. So there's only not power in. I think in this, let me put that and see. Should be power in here. Yes, guys, there is power there, so I want to show you here. I put it in and we try to switch it on. Yeah, it takes time. You can see that blue line. It takes time to. This router is a little bit slow, so we're gonna wait for the lights. Should show Wi-Fi, 5G, 4G, and all that. They should show. Let's give it some time. Yeah, you can see 5G is on now, signal. We need a 4G and we need a Wi-Fi. Yeah, now we have Wi-Fi. We don't have a 4G. It's okay, as long as we have 5G. So what we got to do is to go to any computer or whatever, then try to see if we can connect to it. Computer is gonna throw this, throw that there, throw that there. So okay, I got one laptop here, of which I wanted to connect like this, but now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one of the cables. You see these cables, connect with the laptop straight to see if my internet is fine. Okay, I have my cable here. Since I have my cable here, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna connect, but you see the problem with this one, it doesn't give you, this laptop does not take any cables and all that. That's not a stress. What we can do, we can go on the bottom of the router. Let me see, let me show you something. We can click here. The focus is not that good for you guys to see. Okay, I'll click that anyway. And I see. Okay, you can see this Huawei what. But anyway, I can still use also the computer, this computer. It's fine, but anyway, I want to take this Huawei. Okay, remember it's a Huawei 12 something. So this one. So it's gonna ask me for the password. I'll click there, then I get the password below, underneath this router. There is the password. The password is what? Can't see the password well for you, but me I can see. I wonder why the camera is doing this. Trying to zoom in a bit. Still, camera is not good. I wonder what happened. but it's okay as long as you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the password, which is password is HB4Y, all capital HB4Y, HB4Y, D2B33, D2B33, okay, just to be 33, then it's gonna be N3. So after that, I can show here I did 333 instead of 33. Okay, I'm gonna delete one here, and I have a 33. Then I try to connect. Once it connects, yeah, it's connected, guys. You can see connected, right? So since it's connected, you don't have to do anything much. Let me see if I can get my internet working. I'm gonna go to Chrome. I went to Chrome and I'm gonna go to that website called Google boy.co.za. Once I connect to that, just know that I'm fine. Yeah, you can see I connected to googleboy.co.za. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. I hope all is fine for you guys because I managed to connect the Huawei router with the Rain 5G modem. Thanks, and see you in the next video.